Let's turn to Mark Sherman now, a reporter who covers the Supreme Court for the Associated Press. It is his only beat, and today, sir, is a very busy day. Thanks so much for taking time for us.
It's my pleasure.
Some of the issues that are sort of at the forefront now, if you look back over Justice Kennedy's history, there have been times, for instance, on the issue of guns, where he's sided with the conservatives. There have been times when he has sided with the liberals. He's been the swing on the issue of guns. What might we expect to happen with a more conservative justice?
Well, you're right that Kennedy was part of the majority in the Heller decision 10 years ago, in which the court said that individuals had a right, at least in their homes for self-defense, to have a gun under the Second Amendment. But under Kennedy, and it must be said, Chief Justice John Roberts, the court has not yet taken on any other gun issues that would really expand or further delineate those rights. So it remains to be seen whether the change of one justice would make a difference in that regard, though it certainly might.
One issue that many have suggested today in the short time since Justice Kennedy announced his pending retirement, one of the issues that's certainly top of mind would be transgender issues. The case of a boy and the use of a bathroom comes to mind.
Yes, well, the Supreme Court had and then got rid of a case that would have forced some kind of issue, a decision on that issue, the case of Gavin Grimm, a Virginia high school student. We don't know really where Justice Kennedy stands on that issue, although if it's anything like his views on gay rights, he would likely have been a supporter of transgender rights. Those issues are really percolating in the lower courts. To what extent are transgender individuals covered by anti-sex discrimination laws?
When Justice Antonin Scalia died so suddenly, and the nation was certainly saddened by his passing, there were liberals across the country whose next thought was, well, we have to get a new Supreme Court justice in. It didn't happen. There is no chance now, given the political configurations of this day, that conservatives could be disappointed similarly this time. Is there?
It doesn't seem like it, certainly under the new Senate rules without the filibuster, and also with a list of 25, mostly 25 judges that President Trump has already put out there. It seems like whoever he chooses to take Kennedy's place is likely to be more conservative than Kennedy, at least on some issues, and no more liberal than Kennedy on others.
Mark Sherman, who covers the courts for the Associated Press, I know your time is tight. Thanks so much for making some for us.
Thank you.